Locate your fuse box harness. Insert the separate ends of the fuse box harness through the access hole on the driver's side rear of the truck bed until the harness extends below the truck fender. Locate the red wire on the end of the fuse box harness. Insert the red wire into position 1 of the 2-pin connector until it clicks. Follow the same process, inserting the black wire into position 2. Secure the wires to the connector by pushing on the TPA into the connector. Disconnect the connector and insert either the 16-pin T-harness or the 6-pin T-harness provided. Insert the 2-pin connector end of the T-harness into the 2-pin connector of the fuse box harness. Lock harness by connecting and pushing the CPA forward. Insert the 3rd wire in the fuse box harness into the smaller diameter end of the 1-pin connector. The water seal should be fully seated into the connector. Rotate the locking feature of the connector until it secures the terminal in the connector. Once connected, secure this T-harness to the truck with the zip ties provided, making sure that no wires are visible or hanging below the truck. Route the battery wire harness to the truck battery following the main truck wiring harness. Secure the battery harness with zip ties as you go. Connect the ring terminal to the positive terminal on the truck battery. Pull fuse box harness back into the truck bed inside the cap. Push remaining fuse box harness wire back into the access hole and truck bed. Dress harness inside of cap. Secure harness under truck using zip ties provided such that no wires are visible or hanging below the truck.